Good morning, Suprabhat, Sat Sri Akal. Dear students, in previous video, we solved the 20 questions of this paper 6 to 8 mathematics skill test. Now we will proceed our session and we'll start from the 21 number question. So dear student, our 21 number question is find the list which is exactly divisible by 28 and 48. So dear student, list number mean you will find here the LCM of 28 and 42. So look here how you can find it. 28 and 42 LCM. Firstly it will go on 2 table, 14 and 21 will come, then on 7 table 2 and 3 will come. Now do multiply all of them. 7 to the 14, 14 to the 28, 28 3 the 84. So what will be its correct answer? 84. 84 is its correct answer. Okay dear student, now move to next question. 22 number question you have. Find the value of x from the figure given below. So dear student, here one figure you have given. In this figure one triangle is there. You know in a triangle by angle sum property you can find the third angle if two angle you have given. In angle sum property sum of all angle equal to 180 degree. So subtract this 30 and 70 from 180 degree, you will get here the 80 degree. Now on this line you have two angle, one is this 80 degree and another is x, and both are making a linear pair, and you know on a linear pair the sum of angle be 180 degree. So one angle is 80 degree, then what will be the another angle? That be the 100 degree. So what is its correct answer? Its correct answer is D option, 100 degree. Now look its next question number 23. What is the value of m square plus m cube? Is the very easy question. M value already you have given here. So use this m value 3. So you need to find the square of 3 plus the cube of 3. Okay student, you know square of 3 is 9 and cube of 3 is 27, and 27 and 9 it will give you 36. So what will be our correct option? Option B is our correct option. 36 is the answer. Okay dear student, now the next question you have. Sum of any three angle of a rectangle is equal to which one of these? So you know in a rectangle each angle is equal to the 90 degree. So what will be the sum of three angle? 90 90 90 mean 93 is a 270 degree. So its correct option is B option. So what answer will come? B option, 270 degree. Okay, now come on the question number 25, and 25 number question you have the match of the following. So look here how we will do the matching of these questions. First is the 20% of 100, and what is the 20% of 100? That is 20. And CP minus loss, CP minus loss will give you the SP. Now 3 plus 14 divided by 7 is the interesting question. Look here, many students do it like this: 3 plus 14 17 divided by 7, and this will be the wrong. What is the correct be for this? You will use the BODMAS rule. How you can use it? 14 divided by 7, 14 divided by 7 it will give you the 2, and 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 cube is 125. So second, and 3 more than 5 time of L is the 1. Now you will check the option. In the C option you can see all the answer are matching. So what option will come here? C option. Okay, so this is your correct answer. Now come on the next question. Next question you have beta, if p q r value you have given, so what will be the p square plus q square plus r cube? So look here beta, just you will put the values: minus 2 square, q value is minus 1 square, and r value is 3 cube. So 2 minus 2 square is 4 and minus 1 square is 1 and 3 cube is 27. So 4 and 5 is 4 and 1 is 5 and 5 minus 27 is minus 22. So which correct option is there? The D option is its correct answer of question number 26. Okay student, now look, it's 27 number question. Okay, 27 number question is simplify. 27 number question is simplify the given problem. How we can solve it? Look here, very easy question is this. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, all you know what it will give you? 0. What will give you? 0. And if you divide 0 by any of the number, always what you will get? Always you will get 0, and 0 is nowhere given in the option. For this one have the one more option, E option, none of these. So what answer will come? None of these, and its correct answer is 0. But in option what you will write here? None of these, since we not have the 0 in any of the option up to D. Okay dear student, now the next question, 28 number question. You have find the perimeter of the following figure. Okay student, in this figure you can check how many total sides are there. Here are the total 10 sides. How many sides? 10 sides. Then all of these sides you will add. Okay, so the 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 and 11 20, 20 and 8 28, 28 and 5 33, 33 and 1 34, 34 and 3 37, 37 and 4 41, 41 and 6 47, and 47 and 6, what will come? 53. So what is its correct answer? A option. A answer will come here. 53 centimeter is its correct answer. Okay dear students, now it's look its next question. The LCM of two number is 175 and HCF is 5, and one number also you have given 25. What will be the other number? Okay dear student, you know LCM multiply HCF. LCM multiply HCF always equal to the product of both number A multiply B. Now what you have given? LCM 175 you have given, HCF 5 you have given, and A value mean the first number 25 you have given, B value you need to find. So shift this 25 from here to left side. Now cancel it on 5 table. 5 5s are 25. Again cancel it on 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. So what is its correct answer? So its correct answer is 35. So which option will come here? The 35. 35 is its correct answer. B option will come here. Understood this to all beta? Which option is correct option? 35. Now look its next question. 30 number question. 54 kilometer per hour is equal to which one of these is correct? So beta, in option you can see in all the option the unit is meter per second. Meter per second. So you need to convert it in meter per second. How you can convert it? So look here beta, 54 kilometer per hour is there, and you know in 1 kilometer 1000 meters are there. So this unit is now meter. Now convert this r in minute. So this second. So if you want to convert the r in second, what you will do? 1 hour equal to 60 minute and 1 minute equal to 60 second. So you will divide it by 60 into 60. 0 to 0 cancel. Now 6 9 54, 900, again cancel it on the 6 table. 15 6 ja 90. So what will be its correct answer? 15. 15 is its correct answer. So the answer is C option. 15 meter per second is the correct answer. Okay, dear student, now come on the next question. The sum of two angle is 90. Then what will be its correct answer? So its correct answer is the complementary angle. You know, if the sum of two angle is 90 degree, then complementary is the correct answer. And if sum is 180 degree, then the supplementary angle, and sum is 360 degree, then the complete angle. So what is its correct answer? B option. B is its correct answer. Okay, now come on the next question. If bicycle wheel has 48 spokes, how many spokes a bicycle wheels have? 48 spokes are there. And then what will be the angle between two consecutive spokes? This angle you need to find. So beta, you know the complete angle is over this 360 degree. So divide the 360 in 48 equal part. Okay, after dividing it, what you will get here? 15 by 2. And 15 by 2, what you will get? 7 1 by 2 degree. So what is the its correct answer? B option. B option is its correct answer. Okay, our next question is, in the figure angle xyz cannot be written is. So how you will write the angle y? This you need to tell here. So देखो बेटा, x y z, this you can write angle y, this you can write z y x also, this you can write z x y, this you cannot write. Okay beta, so what will be its correct answer? C option. C is its correct answer. The angle xyz, we cannot write it as zxy. This is the wrong. Okay, so our next question is, now find the value of x for the following equation what we have. Look here how we will solve it. Firstly, open the bracket. 3 multiply x will give you 3x. 3 6 ja 18 plus 2x plus 2 3 ja 6 equal to 64. Now look here beta, 3x and 2x is the 5x, and 18 plus 6, 18 plus 6 is 24. So shift this to the right side, then 64 minus 24, 40 will come. This is the value of 5x. Now shift this 5 on right side. So what you will get? 8. So what is its correct answer? Its correct answer be the option number B. X equal to 8 is its correct answer. Okay dear student, now look its next question. What percent of rupees, what percent of rupees 250 is 55? So beta, you need to find 55 is the what percent of 250. For this what you will do? Multiply with the 100 and put the percentage sign. 0 to 0 is cancelled. Now the 5 5s are 25, 5 11s are 55. This is cancelled. Now 5 2s are 10. So 11 2s are 22. So what will be its correct option? 22% is its correct option. Now come on its next question. Study the following pattern and give the answer. Very easy question is this. 3 raised to power 5 is here. 3 raised to power 5. What will be its correct answer? Beta, 3 raised to power 4 you have given 81. Then multiply the 81 with 3. So what you will get? 243. What you will get? 243 is its correct answer. Okay, now come on its next question. Complete the series. Complete the series for 16, 64, 256. What are these? How you are getting the next number? Look here. 4 4 ja 64. 4 4 ja 4 4 ja 16, and 16 4 ja 64, and 64 4 ja 256. Then what will be 256 4 ja 1024? What answer will come? 1024. C is its correct answer. Okay. So now comes on the next question, matching. Now we will do the matching related to the addition subtraction of algebra. Okay. 3 less than L. 3 less than L. What will be there? 3 less than L is L minus 3. L minus 3 will come. Third option, 3 more than L mean L plus 3. 3 divide by A. Second option, 3 times of L is the first option. So from these given option we will select which one is the correct. So the A option is the correct option. All matching are according to this option A. Okay, come on the next question. How many lines of symmetry are there in a semicircle? So what will be its correct answer? Its correct answer is only one symmetry line. If one semicircle is there, then this will work as a symmetry for the semicircle. If the circle be there, on that time the many lines are can be possible for symmetry line. Okay, so our last question of this session is 40 number question, and very important and interesting question is this: how many triangles are there? How many triangles are there in the given figure? Okay beta, now we will count the triangles. Okay, firstly the small one triangle you will count. Small one triangle means the single triangle you will count. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. So how many these small triangles are there? 4 triangles. How many triangles beta? 4 triangles. Okay, अब देखो बेटा, now what you will count the triangles made of two small triangle. Triangles made of two small triangle. This one only. Okay beta, this triangle is made of two small triangle, one triangle. Now check the triangle is made of three triangles. So look here beta, one this triangle is made of three triangle, and one this triangle is made of the three triangles. Okay, now you check any triangle is left here. Till now one more triangle is left here. Which one? This complete triangle. Okay, so count them. How many are these? Sorry, this one more we have counted. 3 was this. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 and 3 7, and 7 and 1 4. So what will be its correct option? 4. So what answer will 4 plus 4 is 8. So what is correct answer? A option. A is its correct answer. 8 will come. So this is our math skill test from 6 to 8 class. And to get the more interesting videos, subscribe and like the channel so that you can get the more videos. Thank you and have a nice day.